In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Hygraph, a powerful headless CMS that helps you manage content for your website and applications. So whether you're building a blog, e-commerce site, or complex web app, Hygraph gives you a flexibility and control over your content. So first, make sure you already sign up and log into Hygraph. And then if you already have an account, you can just skip the sign up process. So after logging in, you'll be redirected to the dashboard. And in here, you will see here the add project button. Just simply click on that to create a new project. And in here, input a project name. So as you notice, we have option for a plan here in Hygraph. So it's up to you what plan you want to select. So I name it as Calcifer and then continue. So wait for it to load up. So assumingly our project is created in here. So once your project is created, you'll start by defining content models. So content models are the building blocks of your content. For example, you could create a models for blog posts, products, or authors. So to add a content model, you can click on the content model in the sidebar, then click the create model button. You can also name your model like blog.post or and define it as like title, body, text image, etc. You can also add different field types like text, rich text, media, and so on. And after creating the content models, it's time to add a content. You can go to the content section and then select the content model, for example, blog post, and click on the create entry button and fill out the fields with your content like adding a title, writing a blog post, uploading images, etc. and then click the publish. You can also configure API access. Since Hygraph is a headless CMS, you'll be using APIs to fetch content for your front end. You can also set up roles and permissions. So, for example, if you're working in a team, you can manage roles and permissions in the settings sections. And then you can also integrate it with your front end and manage media and assets. And that's it. That's how you use Hygraph to manage your content and integrate it with your website or application. So whether you're working on a small project or a large-scale enterprise application, Hygraph gives you the tools to manage content efficiently. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.